The Magical Forest Adventure. One day, Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat wandered into the magical forest. The trees glowed with soft, twinkling lights. "Wow, this place is amazing," said Yellow Dog, his eyes wide with wonder. Suddenly, a rabbit hopped over. "Welcome," said the rabbit. A squirrel and a deer appeared too, looking worried. "We need your help," said the squirrel. "The light in our forest is fading," explained the deer. "The glowing tree is losing its magic." Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat looked at each other. "We'll help you fix it," they said together. Sparkling lights appeared and started to guide them. "Follow us," said the rabbit. They reached the glowing tree. It looked dim and sad. "We need to find the missing glow gems to restore its light," said the squirrel. Yellow Dog sniffed around and found the first glow gem under a bush. Sky Blue Cat climbed a tree and found the second glow gem in a nest. The woodland creatures found the last glow gem in a sparkling stream. They placed the glow gems in the glowing tree. Slowly, it started to shine brightly again. "We did it!" everyone cheered. The forest was bright and magical again. "Thank you for helping us," said the deer. As the sun set, it was time to go. "Goodbye, friends." Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat waved. "We'll never forget our magical forest friends," said Sky Blue Cat, curling up for a cozy sleep. Rainbow Adventure, The Missing Puppies. One sunny day, Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat saw something surprising, a notice board filled with pictures of missing puppies. "Oh no!" they gasped, looking at each other with wide eyes. Seeking clues, Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat chatted with birds overhead. "The puppies are on a cloud," tweeted a helpful bird. They thanked the birds, their hearts set on a cloud-bound rescue. "We must help them," said Sky Blue Cat. They found a map showing a rainbow and places around. "This rainbow will lead us to the puppies," Yellow Dog pointed with a paw. On the rainbow, it was slippery and foggy. They jumped over big raindrops and slid under fluffy clouds. "We can do it," they encouraged each other, never stopping. Gliding across clouds, Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat turned mist into adventure. "Cloud skiing is amazing," Sky Blue Cat meowed. They zoomed towards the puppies, their laughter echoing through the sky. At last, they saw the puppies on a cloud. The little ones looked scared but safe. "Don't worry, we're here," Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat said with gentle smiles. Carefully, they helped the puppies off the cloud. Some they carried, and some followed, hopping happily. "You're safe now," they said, leading them home. Back on the ground, everyone celebrated. Friends and family cheered, hooray for Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat. The puppies wagged their tails, happy to be home. Walking back, Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat led the puppies through the meadow, their paws growing weary. "Just a bit more," encouraged Yellow Dog, as they all dreamed of rest. "Time for a nap," laughed Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat, watching the puppies yawn. They all snuggled together, tired but happy after their big adventure. Piggle was a bundle of giggles, splish-splashing in his favorite mud puddle. But oh no! His beloved plush piglet, Piggy, was missing. "Has someone taken Piggy?" Piggle, with a magnifying glass in hand, declared firmly, "We must find this thief." His friends, Porky and Grisa, agreed. "We will find Piggy," they exclaimed together. They immediately began their exciting search, ready to solve the mystery. They rummaged through haystacks and then sneaked into the old barn. In the tool shed, there was wonderful chaos. Tools, gardening equipment, and old pots were scattered everywhere. "Will we ever find your toy?" Grisa said worriedly. In the storage area, there was so much fun to climb on. They climbed ladders, boxes, and shelves. But despite all the fun climbing, they found no trace of Piggle's toy. In the kitchen, they peeked under the table, behind large bags of flour, and inside all the cabinets. No toy. The piglets were getting very worried. But then, near the grand old oak tree, Piggle's eyes sparkled with memory. "I remember now," he squealed. He had hidden Piggy under the roots to keep him dry on a rainy day. Gently, Piggle retrieved Piggy from his hiding spot and hugged him close. "Mystery solved," he cheered. The other piglets danced around, celebrating. It turned out, Piggle had just forgotten where he'd put Piggy. "What a silly, wonderful day," Piggle laughed. Reunited with Piggy, Piggle felt complete. He played until the stars twinkled in the sky. As night swept over the farm, the piglets slept under the stars. Piggle dreamed sweet dreams about his dear toy, Piggy. The Three Little Pigs and Their Train Adventure. 3 little pigs, Porky, Piggle, and Grisa, are walking through the countryside as they come across a train station. Porky says, "Look, a train station. Let's go see the trains." Grisa says, "I've always wanted to drive a train. Can we try?" Piggle says, "Let's do it. We can be train drivers for the day." The pigs climb into the cab of the train and take a seat. They put on their conductor hats and grab the controls. Porky says, "Choo-choo, all aboard." Grisa says, "I'm ringing the bell, ding ding ding." Piggle says, "And I'm blowing the whistle, toot toot toot." The train sets off on its journey, rolling through fields and past animals waving from the side of the track. Porky says, "We're doing it. We're driving the train." Grisa says, "Look, there's a herd of cows, moo moo." Piggle says, "And there's a flock of chickens, bawk bawk." The train comes to a stop at a station, where a group of children are waiting to board. The pigs help them find their seats. Porky says, "All aboard. Next stop, fun and adventure." Grisa says, "Don't forget to wave to your friends as we pass by." Piggle says, "And hold on tight. We're going to have a wild ride." The train sets off again, going faster and faster. The pigs whoop and holler, having the time of their lives. Porky says, "This is the best day ever." Grisa says, "I'm never going to forget our train adventure." Piggle says, "Me neither, choo-choo."
3 little sheep. Once upon a time, there were 3 little sheep named Fluffy, Woolly, and Baba. They lived on a beautiful green farm with their farmer, who took care of them and made sure they had plenty of fresh grass to eat. One sunny day, Fluffy, Woolly, and Baba decided to go on an adventure. They climbed over the fence and started to explore the big, wide world beyond the farm. As they walked, they came across a big pond. Fluffy was scared to go near the water, but Woolly and Baba wanted to see what was in the pond. They convinced Fluffy to come with them, and when they got closer, they saw that the pond was filled with colorful fish. They had so much fun watching the fish swim around. Next, they came across a field of wildflowers. Fluffy, Woolly and Baba loved the bright colors and sweet smell of the flowers. They ran and played in the field, enjoying the beautiful day. As the sun began to set, the three little sheep realized it was time to head back to the farm. They were tired and a little muddy, but they had a great adventure. When they got back to the farmer was happy to see them safe and sound. From then on, Fluffy, Woolly and Baba knew that adventures were not only fun, but that it was also important to explore the world around them. After this big and tiring adventure, all the three little sheep fell asleep very quickly.